All right, so we've done a good job. We've put up all of our weights from our exercises. We've got a good pump, good workout in. There's still one more thing that would benefit you greatly, not only yourself, but the person who comes after you on your piece of equipment. And that's cleaning up your equipment. It's as simple as taking a spray bottle and a paper towel, or in our case, alcohol wipes, and just wiping down your surface. Now this can be done before and after your given routine, or just after if you're wanting to brave it. If you know that someone maybe cleaned it off right before you, or yeah, you're just a wild fellow. It's very simple indeed. And again, it adds 15, 20 seconds to your given exercise that you're doing, but it can really help take care of the equipment that we all use at the gym. And so it's very simple. So we just finished our hard set. Oh, we're done. We've re-racked all of our weights. Make sure you re-rack all of your weights. And we go get, again, it could be a squirt bottle and a paper towel, or in our case, just an alcohol wipe. And we're just going to go over our bench. Oh, I've got sweat stains from, I sit on that. We don't want butt sweat on there. So we're just going to take it. We're just going to make sure we go over all the surface area that our body has made contact with. So I've got a little bit on my shins were on those roller pads. I'm just going to go over them a few times. I'm going to go up and down. My head was definitely back here on the bench. We don't want all that dome sweat up there. So we're just going to wipe that down, and there we go. That thing is shiny clean like the day it came out of the box. So that is very simply how we can kind of set up and make sure our gym equipment is taken care of, and the next person who comes to use it gets a clean piece of equipment, not something your stinky butt sweated all over, okay? Because I know you don't want to be sitting on something that someone's sweaty butt was sitting all over. So take care of your equipment. It'll last a lot longer. You get to enjoy it a lot longer as far as coming into that gym and seeing it. And the next person after you doesn't have to sit through your pool of your drip. So take care of your equipment, clean it. Let's get to lifting.